Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So, if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. Looks like it's going to be another slow day as I'm not seeing any good setups pre-market. I was expecting some good setups today because the stimulus checks has been sent out, but the market is going in the exact opposite direction. Today, most likely it's going to be a scanner day. I'll be watching my scanners for any setups at the market open. So the market opens in another 8 minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market is open. Watching ticker ZDGE. I'm not totally convinced on this stock because volume is low. I'll wait. Not looking to jump in. Ticker AEYE, volume is low. It's not moving. Not interested. Watching the scanners. Looks like it's going to be a dull day. I'm not seeing any good setups. Looks like ticker LC is pumping up. I'll wait for a pullback. I'm not eager to jump in. I want confirmation before I'm interested. Stock actually broke the pre-market high. So looks good now. Volume is coming in. So maybe I'll get one trade. Not super confident, but I'll mitigate the risk with a smaller share size. I'm interested in 1835, 150 shares. Come on, give me an ad, please. Yep, I'm in. So my next ad would be around 1822. 18.8 would be my third ad. That's where I'm finding support on the daily. Maybe I'll send 75 shares at 1860. I'm out half the share size. Now I'm in 75 shares. One more push. Maybe I'll get out. I'm out on 50 shares and remaining with just 25 shares. 25 shares. 1875 would be my exit. It's already there. Let me make it 1850. Yep, I'm out at 1875. Glad I was watching ticker LC. Yesterday I did not get an entry. Today it worked out well. The only issue was that I was just in 150 shares. So canceling my orders for now. The low of this candle was 1829 and I had my second ad around 1822. Had I got my second ad, this would have been a great winner. Overall, I think I executed the trade well. Now it wants to go even higher, but that's okay. I will keep watching. Now I've actually looked to re-enter around the 1850 area if the stock wants to give a pullback. But now I'm not in a hurry. So LC has broken the $19 area. Now it looks more good for a second trade. For some reason, my stop loss shortcut key is not working, else I would have kept a stop loss on the remaining 25 shares. Looks like LC wants to give a pullback. 1860, an interesting area for that pullback. It would be a quick scalp. So 1865 is what I'm watching, but it bounced off 1877. Just placing an order out there. Give me one more pullback. This time maybe I'll go with 100 shares. Minimizing my risk. So my support is around 1865. 1860 area is my support. I'm placing my order 5 cents above my support area. I'm not chasing. I want the price to come to me. Break down 1875 and then probably I'll get my ad. But now it's slowing down. So how did I find ticker LC? I did not pay for an expensive scanner. I'm using the scanner provided by Fidelity. And I do have a filter specifically for showing me uptrend stocks. Bummer there. I didn't get my ad. Still watching. Volume is fading on ticker LC. I'm mindful of that. The low of this candle was 1872. Bummer there. 7 cents away from my entry. So probably I'll cancel my entry around 1865 because I was expecting this pullback to hit my support level. It did not happen, so maybe I have to look for a second support level, which from the daily is around 1840 area. So maybe I'll keep an ad around 1845. Yep, I should be in. Yep, I'm in on 100 shares. So I'll be looking to sell it around 1882. It's a quick scalp. It's taking 50 at 1882. Take me out, please. 50 shares. Just locking in some profits. That's the goal here. I think I may have to wait to get my exit, or maybe this can be a losing trade. Or should I sell it at 1876? Just waiting. Volume is decreasing. Yep, I'm out on that 50 shares. Now I think I'll have it at 94. Take me out, just 50 shares. Not too much. Canceling my buy order. Selling the remaining at 1874. I do have a sell order at 1874. One more push and I'm out of this trade. Not something that I want to see, but it's just 50 shares. So I'm perfectly comfortable being in the trade. Maybe I should change to 1870 and just get out of this trade. Yep, I'm out. So today ticker LC worked out well for me. I was watching it for the last 2 days and unfortunately I did not get any entries, and now it's going without me, but that's okay. Overall, a decent day of trading. On the day, making $71. I'll be happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.